This video will be about grace notes, and let me just say this off the bat. Grace notes will not be treated in this series. Grace note is a very extensive topic, so I'll be creating another series for grace notes. I'll just do a little explanation here, and then I'll put a link in the description to where my series on grace note will be. In case it is not there, write on the comment below and remind me to put it, because at the moment I've not started the series, but I will start it as soon as possible. Remind me in the description below, and I will make sure it happens, right? So grace note is all about hitting one note before the other note. So if you're going to play this, you hit this before you hit it. So instead of going to sol, sol, la, you hit this first quickly before you hit it. So that's the exercise. Take note of the two fingers I'm using. They are the most powerful fingers. That's another type of grace notes. Now, there are many different types of grace notes, but I will only do that in the series for grace notes. So check the link in the description. Remind me to put it there in case I forget. Yeah. See you in the next level.